confident in our deck, I'll be honest, but... But it hasn't gone terribly. I mean, we are Ascension 9, so I'm not going to get ahead of myself. Don't get me wrong. Actually, perfect amount of damage. I think you'll always kind of bring back Zap if you have the chance to. Melter went past. Charge battery, defend, beautiful Zap. Take a bit of damage. That turn probably could have been more perfect, but fuck it, I guess. We have 4 energy. Let's just go ham. Take 20, but we kind of just ensure the win this... Oh, well, I was going to say we ensure the win. I guess fucking not. Nice. Hell yeah. Okay, Zap's 0 cost. That's the only lightning generator we have, though, unfortunately. I still really want Thunderstrike. Rainbow... See, like, I could go against the rule of, like, take the card that is going to help you out now, rather than the card that's going to help you out later, potentially. But just give me Thunderstrike. Could be a good Velvet Choker. A lot of our cards cost, well... So, our cards are low cost or high cost, and there's no in between. And that gives me a lot of variance, a lot more variance than if I just took Velvet Choker. So I'm going to take Velvet Choker. I also want to start getting some powers in the deck. And I think a good way to do that would be to hit an early shop. I think the most aggressive way we can do that is by taking this path. Horncleat here is so fucking tiny, holy shit. Absolutely terrible. Oh, we have the artifacts. Never mind. Don't worry about it. All good. This actually does the most damage for us this turn. Oh, does it? Yes. Yes. But we also take damage. Okay, well, I'd rather not take damage, if I'm being honest. That is crazy RNG. Perfect Velvet Choker as well. Ball Lightning is what we're looking for. Should have got that floor 1, but happy to see it now. This is a great turn for invulnerability. Horncleat is obviously huge here. What could we draw that we want? Double or dual cast out of that? This... No, okay. Self-repair for sure. Didn't think about it. I definitely wanted that shot, but now we don't get that shot because I'm an idiot and just fucking played too fast. That's okay, though. That is okay. Wait. She was doing damage? Wait, am I stupid? Okay, this is pretty clear. Zap, hologram, zap. That, ball lightning, strike. Horncleat, obviously MVP. 4 lightnings. Definitely pop the self-repair. You're almost dead. You are dead. This has gone pretty well. Nice. And we get the self-repair off as well. Power Potion, fantastic for this. Fusion, don't really need it. Barrage, don't really need it. You, I'm scared about. In fact, I'm very scared about you. I'd love to save these potions for a more pressing fight. Well, fuck me, I guess. Jesus. Would it be a good time? No. For some reason I thought we had upgraded Sunder. Doesn't change anything. Thank God. A chill could go crazy. We don't have any kind of consistent block here. Let's think about this. We want an electrodynamics. We want more ways to channel lightning. Because right now Thunderstrike is our big damage dealer. Or we want more block. Or we heal 25 HP with an elite coming up. But I think if we can get a more powerful card for ourselves, that'll help with the elite just as much. Also, we still have Lizard Tail. We have Incense Burner that's about to pop. And we have Horncleat. Well, fuck. Creative AI? No. Double energy, no. Reboot could actually be pretty good for us. Creative AI could actually work well, though. Fuck it. Creative AI. This is where I'll take a random power. Do I just grab this for damage? I think so. Leap, melt. Don't want to draw a card. Again, massive intangibility. It sucks that it's also on the same turn that Horncleat pops off. Didn't actually think about that when I was praising our relics beforehand, but that's okay. This one might sting. I almost want to use the energy potion. Just to make sure we can get everything off. I think chill, obviously. And the question is, do we dual cast Ball Lightning then Thunderstrike? Or do we do Electrodynamics and Thunderstrike? This would channel 6 times. I mean, it's not going to kill him. Don't get me wrong. $24. Let me do math. 24 plus 6 is 30. We get there. Gambling chip is fucking incredible. Absolutely stunning stuff. I almost want to take a go for the eyes. Just as extra block. And we fucking upgrade here. We absolutely upgrade here. Sunder's kind of useless to us. Unupgraded, to be honest. It just doesn't do enough damage. But I'm okay with that. I'm going to refuse those. We're definitely going to take this right path. Upgrade again. Now we can probably upgrade Sunder. Or chill. Each elite combat with 2 strength. Doesn't really help us as, with this fight coming up. Static Discharge absolutely does. I think removing a card as well will help us quite tremendously. I feel like we have enough block. We can afford to remove that. Grab you. Alright, money spent. We're taking the elite fight as well. Or the Giga elite fight. I'm feeling strong. Absolutely, I'll fight you. Chill, fantastic on this turn. Sweeping Beam, also fantastic. We will keep the leap. We could draw nothing... Well, maybe something better than a zap, but I don't really care. Hologram's good. Zap, hologram, zap, sweeping beam, leap, self-repair. No, Velvet Choker chill would have been so